Imagine staring at a blank page, trying to code a complex project, but your editor is holding you back. Welcome to the world of code editors, where the right tool can be the difference between success and frustration. And today we're pitting two of the biggest players against each other: Cursor AI and VS Code, two editors that promise to revolutionize the way we write code. But which one reigns supreme? And how do their unique features and strengths stack up against each other? Let's dive in. Cursor AI starts at $19 per month for the solo plan, which includes features like AI-powered code completion, real-time collaboration, and seamless integration with popular platforms like GitHub and GitLab. While the Pro plan costs $49 per month and adds advanced features like custom keyboards, automated testing, and priority support. On the other hand, VS Code offers a free plan with limited features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and debugging, but its paid plan, VS Code Insiders, costs $11 per month, with features like advanced debugging, improved performance, and regular updates. Cursor AI's biggest strength lies in its AI-powered code completion, which can predict and auto-complete entire lines of code, saving developers precious time and effort. But Code's strength lies in its flexibility and customizability, with thousands of extensions available to tailor the editor to your specific needs. So which one is better? Well, it ultimately comes down to your coding style and preferences. If you value speed and efficiency, Cursor AI might be the better choice. But if you need flexibility and customization, VS Code is the way to go.